I'm Jacob Hooper and I build fully automated trading algorithms. And this is my track record. I own the ticker WJR, fully automated trading algorithm that's done 38% VAR tested, while also returning baseline on the portfolio nearly 300+%, close to 400%. This alone has allowed me to place 7th on the leaderboard on the silver rankings, while also being inducted into the gold level of Darwin AI, their elite club of traders. And this is one of my very favorite systems that I use within this portfolio to get these results. And I'm going to share this with you. So make sure you're paying attention because this is an absolute doozy of a video. The most important thing you can do when stepping into the world of trading is validate your edge. Now, a lot of people and creators on these apps give you an edge or supply you with some form of edge, but don't actually validate it. For me, I've turned it into an algorithm, but then turned it into an indicator for use that manually trade. Now, instead of me just giving you a backtest report and saying, trust these numbers, what we're actually going to do is a little bit different. We're going to backtest this year, every single trade, every single month. Now, RavenX is a fully automated trading algorithm turned into an indicator that's 100% mechanical. So we will get the same results if I have it or if you have it. So in today's video, I want to show you exactly how it works and the returns for every single month. Each month will build upon the next. Full transparency, one pair, one indicator. Let's see how well we go. RavenX is a fully automated trading algorithm that I built and developed. So the way the indicator works is we just apply it. If you want to use our upgraded version, which is the RavenX Ultra, essentially what it does is it measures the volatility and then minimizes the stop loss size so that you get the largest risk to reward. In saying that, you will also get higher drawdown levels. That's just how trading works. Larger risk to reward, larger drawdown levels. But the returns are very, very healthy. So let's dive straight into it. We're putting on RavenX Ultra. We'll start January 1st, 2026. Bar replay. So we won't take this trade. Not that there was a trade there, but I want you to notice how easy this system is to follow and use. Okay, so clearly we get our range. Our range, it's calculated here. We have our fancy mathematics up here measuring the volatility, the highs, the lows, and then finding our optimal entry system. Up in the right-hand corner, it tells you exactly how it works. So the range build, it tells you how big the range is. If the orders are armed or it's preparing to enter. Your stop loss, break even, and take profit level. Whether you're in a trade, you've hit break even, or you're exited out of the trade. So nothing is left up to the imagination if you don't want to. The thing that we do allow and we encourage is backtesting to find your optimal management. We have a one size fits all that will work. But if you want to get more out of RavenX Ultra, that's really up to you on how you want to manage that. And I really strongly encourage everyone to find their own management style. So once we get our yellow or golden zone, which is what I like to call it, we enter the golden zone. We like to jump down to either the 5-minute or the 1-minute chart. So we're going down to the 1-minute chart and we're waiting for it to actually tell us when do we enter. So we play along here and we see that we get entered on this candle right here, entry short. We place our entry there. Now you drag your stop loss a little higher because we actually manage our stop loss and take profit on the 15 minutes. So 1 minute for entry timing, 15 minutes for our stop loss placement and break even management. We have a dotted red line here that shows you where to get in, where to get out, where to manage. We drag our profit target down to our break even level and we can just click through here. Bang. So we've hit break even point. Now, at this very moment, what we want is to use this as our stop loss. So we have now moved our stop loss to break even at this point. We're targeting this lower green section. which is a very healthy 3.65% return. Right on that red line there. 3.68% return. And we'll play this one out. And we take profit there. So let's keep a tally of total trades, 3.68%. Now, there is other pairs that you can add to this, but you don't need to. You can just use CAD Yen and do surprisingly very, very well within the markets. And that's what we want. 3.86% return. Let's keep playing it through. And that's a beautiful trade. We're waiting for it to calculate the new range. It's doing all the hard work there. We found the new range. We found our golden zone. Now, see how we didn't get a trade there. Golden zone picked up that this price wasn't a good fit for a breakout. We're seeing a lot of sideways action, and it's just not suitable. So we continue, no trade for that day. Now I need to just say that this isn't the holy grail system, okay? We're still going to incur losses. This is trading. Trading, there's losses. And for a good example, we just had one there. So what we would normally do, I'll try and slow this down in real time so you guys can understand what's happening. We go down to the 1 minute. We are now in our golden zone, waiting for that entry. There we go. Enter short on this candle here. Out to the 15-minute time frame. We've got a little red mark right here. And if you can't see your red mark, make sure you go up to your stop loss level and just input that value. Same with our break even level, 1.113062. We're pretty much there. Clicking through. And we hit stop loss instantly. So that is now a -1%. Continue on. Now, we need to remind you that this is in fact the first week. So we're up 2.68% for the first week, which is rather nice. We go down to a 1 minute time frame, waiting for that golden zone to appear and then give us an entry. Short, drag up, out to the 15-minute. Stop loss down to the red mark. Break even level, 112,827. We'll leave it there. That's roughly where it will be. We'll click this one through. There we go. Break even has been hit. We'll take our stop loss from our previous one. Stop loss has been hit on trade number 3. And we continue. Waiting for our range again. Now, if you want to get your hands on this indicator, there is a limited amount of spots to be able to retain the edge. So get in fast. The link will be below. You can do a 7-day free trial where you can actually test it for yourself and see whether you actually want to use this system. If it suits your portfolio or how you trade, or you like the way it operates and works, the mechanical style that we give, then make sure to click the link. Do your 7-day free trial and enjoy it. Enjoy automated, validated trading systems. We're waiting for our golden zone now. Once again, we go down to the 1 minute. Do we get an entry? Golden zone. Ooh. There we go. Entry here. Stop down. Again, we go to the 15-minute. Break-even level. Yellow line. Stop loss level. Red line. We click through. Break-even point has been hit. Drag this out. Profit target up there. So once again, our stop loss level. We get taken out for break even again on that trade. Perfectly good and defensive trading, reducing our drawdowns. I'm okay with that. The potential there was 5.13%, which is massive. And the fact that we've had 1 win, 1 loss, and 2 break evens just shows a good risk management, even though this trade, does it go up? Okay, we're waiting for the next one anyway. Not important. No trade for that day. So we're halfway through January. And we can just see the sideways price action here. We found a nice range, then the sideways price action, and it just invalidated the trade. All being calculated. Golden zone down to the 1 minute. Sideways price action once again. Oh, we get an entry. That must have been just on the end of that edge. Let's see how we go. Enter long on this candle. We drag our stop loss down, go to the 15-minute time frame. Very mechanical, straightforward. Stop loss to the red line, break even point. We drag it out. We get 1 straight negative loss, negative 1%. So we're up 1.68% for this month. Again, completely fine. We're just following a very mechanical edge. And when we have risk to rewards of 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5, it doesn't take long to get well out in front. Ooh, a bit too fast there. We do our 1 minute entry in our golden zone. Let's click through here, waiting for that signal. Beautiful. Short trade here. Drag our stop up, 15-minute. To the red zone, break even level, calculated. And we know that we hit break even almost instantly. Ooh, we come very close to being tagged out, but I do see a little bit of price. We've just escaped that break even. Let's see what happens. There we go. We get wicked in with that long-legged doji there. So that's a very nice trade, 2.95%. We're at the 14th of January now, so halfway through the month. We're getting some pretty solid returns and solid results. Here's the golden zone. No entry. Sideways price action was just too much. Once again, no entry. That's okay. We're patient. We take one trade a day. That's the best thing I like about it is the risk management is extremely black and white. So there's you only take one trade a day. You minimize your risk as soon as you can. You let your winners run ridiculous amounts. So we're down to the 1 minute once again, looking for that trigger. The trigger is this candle here. We drag our stop down, 15-minute. Stop there. Break even point is right there. Ooh, we take a break even on that one. And that's completely fine. Look at this. We've taken 1, 2, 3 break evens, 2 very solid wins, and 2 losses. That's risk management there. Risk management 101. Okay, 1 minute for entry. You can see the simplicity in it. It tells you, go long here, get out here, put your stop loss here. A foolproof system with a validated edge. And we've hit our break even point straight away. Our stop loss level gives you all of the numbers you need. Our stop loss is at 114066. Let's play this out. We're at break even right now. Break up. Another break even. Risk management. Otherwise, we would have taken another loss there. This is defensive trading. If we didn't have our break even method, we most likely would have taken 1, 2, 3, 4 more extra losses, which are completely unnecessary. While it can be frustrating sometimes to be taking these break even trades because you just want it to finally go in your direction, it's just a matter of time. You protect your underlying capital first, then just let the winners run. Let's go down to our entry time frame, the 1 minute. Ooh. Entry short. We just take every single signal it tells us because that's the way the edge plays out. break even level. Getting close to taking us out. We take a loss on that one. Now, completely fine again. Like, we take a 1% loss, but the potential was a 3% gain. So we don't stress. We just move straight on to the next one. The 20th of January, we have 1 week left in the month. Let's see if we can get some good winners to round out this month. It's been a defensive month. Golden zone. Go to the 1 minute. Long. Stop loss. 15. Stop loss level. Profit target. Another loss. Again, full transparency. This is completely normal from any trading system at all. You're going to get strings of wins and losses. And I feel as though we'll probably have a win just around the corner as probabilities play out. I think this one might be a nice one. Nice tight range calculated. Let's see where we go. In the golden zone. Golden entry. Long positions. Straight to TP. Oh, and we tag and absolutely plummet. So that's a perfect execution, perfect play there. Also, a defensive mechanisms would have put in a stop loss there, so you would have taken a break even, worst case scenario. But that's fantastic. 2.05%. As long as the outcome is income, we do not care. We got a week to go. Final week trading. And then we can see what the results are for the month. Ooh, golden zone. How are we going? Down to the 1 minute for timing. Ooh. We got a short trade right here. Stop. 15. We nearly hit break even on that first candle, but didn't. So we just have to be a little bit patient with this one. Okay, we've just tagged the break even point there. Let's see what happens. And we've hit break even. Another break even trade. Completely fine because we would have taken a L there if this breaks to the upside. There we go. 1 minute for entry. You know the rules. Complete simplicity in your trading, fully automated indicator. Mechanical edge, foolproof, simple to follow, easy rules. Let me slow this down a little bit. We're clicking through a little quick. Oh, that's another loss. We've got to have a string of wins coming up very shortly, I feel. That's a straight loss. -1. That's fine. That I think we're still up for the month, even though this has been a very, very corrective month for us. No need to shy away though. We keep running these trades. Down to the 1 minute for the golden zone. Do we get an entry? No conviction. Ooh, very close. And we get the entry there. Bit of a build up there, which is fine. Entry, stop down below. Break-even point targeting 3.5%. Okay. We hit that full take profit after a bit of dancing around there. 3.47. Just be patient and they come. We have to just execute. That's just how trading is. Execute your edge relentlessly. And we'll get the win. New zone. New entry, 1 minute in the golden zone. Long. Only a couple trades left to go for the month. Break-even point. Full TP, 3.75%. Let's finish off this month with some serious wins. Come on. What are you going to give to us? Dancing. Stop loss hit. Completely fine. We didn't hit that break-even point. -1%. We're just not getting that breakout that we generally have. But that's fine. We have a couple more days to go. Let's see if we can round out this month. Again, this is just one pair. One pair and one trade per day max. No entry. That may be it for the month. Do we get one final entry? No, we do not. Okay, these are the results. So we have total losses 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -6%. Our total profits is 12.15%. So our net results, 6.15%. One pair, one trading system, fully automated and foolproof that can be improved. Analyzing some of these wins, you could follow along the lows and take a little bit more profit out of them. For example, it doesn't really, that's why I don't care about strike rate as much, because when your winners outpace your losers by such a dramatic amount, it doesn't matter. So you could follow these swing lows here down, or you can just follow our fully automated trading system rules, just as I have here. Now, if you enjoyed this video and you want to get your hands on Raven X and Raven X Ultra and try it out for yourself, backtesting, we're doing a 7-day free trial currently. So click the link down below. Get in quick because it's a limited number. I want to protect the edge the best I can, which means limited positions, limited spots within the use of the algorithm. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you want to check out our next video, which is going to be on February, come check out the results for February, March, April, May. I'm going to be releasing all of these videos so that you guys can get well informed on a trading system that actually has a statistical edge. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one.